Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Robinhood to TradingView. We'll start by understanding why a direct link isn't available, then explore effective alternative methods. You'll learn about third-party tools that bridge the gap and how to integrate your data for analysis. Finally, we'll cover best practices for managing your trading information. This guide will help you leverage TradingView's powerful features with your Robinhood portfolio. Unfortunately, Robinhood does not currently provide a direct application programming interface, or API, for third-party platforms like TradingView. This means you cannot directly link your Robinhood account for live trading or real-time data streaming within TradingView. TradingView typically integrates with brokers that offer open APIs, allowing for seamless data flow and trade execution. This limitation necessitates exploring other avenues to bring your Robinhood data into TradingView. Since a direct connection isn't available, you can use alternative methods. Some third-party services specialize in bridging data between platforms, often by allowing you to export your Robinhood transaction history and then import it into TradingView. Always research and choose reputable services, prioritizing data security and privacy. Manual data export and import is another option, though it requires more effort to keep your information updated. Once your Robinhood data is in TradingView, take time to verify its accuracy. You can then fully utilize TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools to review your portfolio's performance and identify trends. Remember that any analysis done in TradingView based on imported data will not reflect real-time changes in your Robinhood account. Always maintain separate, official records of your trades within Robinhood itself for complete accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.